Hey, it's Mike Osborne here, head of ITSP Sales North America for Grandstream. We are a Zoom certified partner, which is the reason why we're at the wonderful Zoomtopia. Let's talk about our Wi-Fi phone, which has been absolutely killing it for us since we released it. It is fairly new. This is the WP825. Now, this is the fully ruggedized version of it. Again, it is Wi-Fi. It is cordless as well. With this particular phone, it's water resistant, it's dust resistant, and it's drop resistant as well. We're finding it doing extremely well in the hospitality space, so retail as well. That's where, whether you have employees or whatnot, you can drop it. We've had a lot of our restaurant owners as well that have dropped grease on it. It still works just fine. So please let me know if you want to learn more about this fully functional, ruggedized Wi-Fi phone. www.grandstream.com. Select, phones that will be right on the left side panel, and let us know if you want to learn more.